Well, it's Sunday today, and me and old Buckaroo are gonna cut the Jeep frame in half, get it all supported down to the ground, weld the frame back and forth so it doesn't flare out on either side, and then cutter, and then cut the plates, the 20-inch plates for each side, and then put those in, and see how far we get.
I love these new welding machines, man.
Do you want it on it's called synergistic right now. It means automatic, I think.
Cool. All right, eyes. There's some dirty shit going on. All right, I'm not gonna put too much on this. We'll get everything tacked up and then I'll throw a little bit of weld on it. You good? Yeah. Whoa. Paint. All right, gotcha.
I guess I didn't think about that beforehand.
Thank you, sir. We'll get some tacks on this and then you're all tacked up, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just finish this side out. I like your welding machine, man. It's getting real. You have movement. I think there's movement. Yeah, we're good. Oops. And I see you've got one piece of channel here. So you gotta lay that out. Is that exactly 40 inches?
50.
Good. Yeah. We'll check the 90s on the sides and then we'll cut those. And then
I got this too.
oh, Chaco? Hey!
That's how you shake and bake right there.
Oh, I know. I love rigid. I got 15 and a half right now.
Like my wife says, more is better.
Nice work. Yeah, that's a nice chop saw, man. I like it.
Well, that's it for Sunday. Me and Buck got the they cut back these 1 inch. I mean we cut back these 2-inch little straps that go underneath here and cut them back like 2 inches so we can weld up here and get a good weld in. Then we'll put these back here and stretch them back out and fix that after we get these welded up. So got the frame cut, we got the braces going down to the ground and got them going across both front and back to keep the frame in the same spot. So we got that all done, got the insides all cleaned up, got those all nice and pretty now. So we can now weld those up, get the frame all dialed up, make sure she's perfect, and then get her tacked up and get her welded up. So that's it for this Sunday. See you guys on the next one.